In this problem, we're predicting the dissolution of some compounds. Here we have a table where we have 3 different compounds, and the dissolution, it actually means something is dissolving in water in this case. So in order to answer this problem, we need to have in mind 2 things, that we have ionic compounds and we also have covalent compounds. From the ionic compounds, we need to know that they are held by electrostatic forces, which usually means that they are composed of a cation, which has a positive charge, and an anion, which has a negative charge. The bond between ionic compounds usually is pretty easy to break apart.